Hey Alexa, it's Kelsey. I was just thinking that it's been forever since we played together, and guess what? I'm finally heading back to Türkiye. I know we always said we wanted to explore the country together and see all those places we never got to see when we were playing, so give me a call, let's link up.
Bodrum has always been on my bucket list, and we finally made it. I'm so excited to get into the water. I know there's a million shades of turquoise here, and I cannot wait to go explore.
Just be comfortable. Lengthen your spine. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Come back to your mat. Come back to your body. When you feel you're ready, you can gently open your eyes.
That's exactly how I imagined starting the trip off, with meditation with sound healing. That was so nice.
Thank you so much.
Voted Europe's best spa multiple times. It's places like this that have made Bodrum top of my bucket list for so long.
Our treatment today is the full body massage with the oil and also combination with stretching technique. Is fine for you?
Yes, I love it.
Treatments like these draw on local aging ingredients like olive oil, honey, sage, and lavender, often sourced from the resort's own gardens. It's a truly immersive way to connect with this landscape.
Hi. How was your treatment?
I loved that they focused on treating the body and the mind. With this scenery, it's just nice to unwind and get pampered a little bit.
Yeah, I think after being pampered a little bit, feeling rejuvenated, it's time to get out there and check out this water. Should we go find a boat?
Yes, I want to go.
Now we're heading out to take in the Aegean coastline right from its heart, in the water.
Welcome.
Unlike sleek yachts, gulets move at their own pace. They're traditional Turkish sailing boats, each one unique, carrying the craftsmanship of generations in their timbers.
Anka sonsuzluğu ifade ediyor. Guletler de Bodrum gulet diyerekten geçiyor.
Can you tell us a little bit about the area that we're in today?
Bodrum karada Meteor koyundayız. Sakin bir koy, sakin bir ada.
I don't know about you, but I am so sweaty. And I think we need to check out this water.
Look at it.
Give us a twirl.
But it's not just gulets here. Time for some window shopping. The Yellow Marina is more than just a port.
Yes, and walk off.
It's a hub of designer boutiques, gourmet dining, and some of the best ice cream I've had in a long time. Alexa always knows the best restaurants in town. And there's one chef that she says we simply have to meet.
Hello. I'm Çağlar. Welcome to Orfos. Nice to meet you. Hello. You're welcome.
At Orfos, every evening's menu is written by the sea. Fish pulled from the Aegean that very morning, prepared with quiet reverence by Chef Çağlar and his brother. Now, Çağlar wants to take us to the water's edge for a closing night meal we'll be dreaming of for years to come.
I know it's your last day and I prepared something special for you.
It's beautiful.
This is amazing. Thank you so much. How long did it take you to dive and catch these?
I dive snorkeling every day early in the morning. This kind of sea urchins, just from Black Island, aquarium based.
And you go every morning?
Every day. We have 40 guests today. I catch 40 to get minimum from the nature. And this is wild. We don't waste anything.
We just were on a boat at Aquarium Bay. We just missed each other. We could have helped you.
He was under the boat.
Next time. You want to try?
Sure.
One with Emir.
Looks beautiful.
I cut lemon. Also, it's from our garden.
This might be the most sustainably made meal I've ever had.
Yeah.
Yeah. Scallops are ready.
That's
Delicious.
really good.
Yeah.
Wait, can you show me the wines? I'm so excited for this.
Agroforestry grapes. They are married with oak trees, pine trees, and we collect them on the tree.
The tree and the vine of the grape plant are growing together.
I think the theme is that the more you cherish the land and the sea and where you're at, the better the food tastes.
Thank you. This lionfish is poison, and this side is very dangerous. They eat all babies of grouper fish. It's our local grouper fish. And the name of our restaurant, Orfos, means grouper fish. We are very...
You're the protectors. You're the
I need to
protectors of the
protect
grouper
them.
fish.
Shrimps.
This is honestly amazing to have this experience with you and sharing how you caught it, where you sourced it from, all the meaning behind it. I feel like I'm in awe, actually. I've never had a meal like this before.
Thank you.
Wow. Bravo.
Look at this best piece here.
Best piece, we share it. It's so
It's hard to choose a favorite. Thank
for
you
sharing
so
with
much.
us.
This was incredible.
This was amazing.
Thank you. It's my pleasure.
This has been absolutely incredible.
Yeah. What an amazing trip.
Bodrum was bucket list for both of us. It definitely lived up to the hype.
I feel like we did so much in Türkiye. We did the city, the desert, now the sea. I think this is just the best way to end it. So peaceful.
The one thing that stood out to me on this trip is the visuals of the landscapes, and not just what we saw, but the colors.
Yeah.
I will remember this for the rest of my life. There's so much here that really invigorates all the senses.
I think if I close my eyes, I can smell the Spice Bazaar. I think I have a lot of core memories from eating.
So good.
What is one thing from the trip that you would live again?
From Cappadocia, of course.
I know what you're
horse
gonna
riding.
say. Yeah.
I can't even imagine a more beautiful place to ride horses.
My journey through Türkiye may be ending, but it's given me so much. The chance to explore with a dear friend, to return to a place that shaped me, and to see it anew through experiences I've never had before. It's been unforgettable.
And honestly, doing it with you, I couldn't have asked for a better travel partner.
And I'm so happy I got to do it with you.
I don't know about you. And I think we need to get into that.
Look at it.